Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Aliyah if you don't already know, and today we are going to be doing faux locks. So here's a little preview of what they're going to be looking like. So yeah, this method cuts the time in half, so stay tuned for that. I show both methods though, but I really focus on the one that cuts the time in half. So if you want to see how I got this pretty easily, pretty quickly, then keep on watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell, do all that jazz, share, comment. You know what to do. So let's get on with the video.
Yeah. Bad little boy, bad little boy. I've been wondering about you in my dreams at night. There's something about.
So as you guys can see, my hair is pretty much prepped. I did some like tester ones back here, and I'll show y'all what I did on this one right here, and I will explain it, slow it down, replay it, all that jazz. But this is my hair prepped. Yeah, 14 inches. Yeah, they're low-key chunky. They're probably gonna be big, obviously, but I wouldn't really go for the big one. But I always never go for the big one. Big sizes like twist, box braids, now faux locks, and I always get them big. But yeah, so let's go to the explanation right now. By the way, some of them be having like some of my hair showing, peeking through, if you can see. It's whatever. I'm gonna do red ones just like these, well, longer ones, like way longer ones, and smaller ones red when I dye my roots back and all that stuff. And so my hair, even if it's peeking through, like, you won't even know. So yeah, I can't wait for that. But let's go ahead and see how we did this. Okay, hey you guys, voiceover Aliyah. So I'm using a faux lock. I think this is 14 inch. I didn't really get long ones because I was broke and I didn't have enough for the long ones. So we're gonna go with this. I'm gonna show y'all how to do this method right here. As you can see, the other pieces of my hair are braided up, and I'll show you how to do that. So what you do is you kind of brush your hair first, make sure it's all detangled. You don't want a tangled hair braided up with a dread. Then you're gonna have dreads for real. Anyways, I hope I don't have dreads over this. They're still in my head right now. I'm talking too much. Anyways, so you're gonna take some edge control. You're gonna put a little bit on there, you know, make it slick and nice on the root area. Then you're gonna take that, you're gonna put your fingers through the hole in the faux lock, and you're gonna pull your hair through it. So your hair should be pulled through the hole in the faux lock. So you don't need no crochet hooks for this. And then you're going to separate your hair into two pieces. So it's going to be a 3-strand braid. One piece is the dread, 2 pieces are your hair, and you're just going to braid like that all the way down. And then I'm going to take some edge control and brush out the ends, and I'm going to just like slick that down just because I just don't feel like braiding it down, and you really don't need to braid it all the way down. So there we go. And that's how you do it, and it's prepped and ready. And I also did some like mini braids on the ones that were really thin because I just could not do, it didn't work well with that method with the thin parts around the edges of my hair. So here I am showing you again. So yeah, I just took the section, pulled it through the hole of the faux lock, took that, my real hair, broke it into 2 sections, and then had the 3 strands, including the faux lock. So 2 strands real hair, 1 strand faux lock, and just braid it all the way down with the edge controls to make it slick. So this is how it's looking all right now. Looks a little crazy. The parts are kind of big, so definitely going to work on that the next time I do this. So I don't know why I put this in the middle of the video, but this is the hair I used. It's Nikki lock. It's 14 inch, okay? So that's the hair I used, and I'm going to show you how to do the other way as well with the crochet hook. So when you prep your hair, you kind of braid the section a quarter down, halfway down, something like that. So you take the crochet hook and you pull it through. Make sure it's unlatched when you pull it through. And you take the lock and you kind of take the loop and hook it onto the crochet hook. And then you close the hook so you know the hair's in there, and you pull it through. As you can see, you just pull it right through. And then you take the hole right there of the lock, and then you take the lock and you pull that through the hole as well. This hole in the lock. And you kind of pull it like that, tighten it kind of like a knot almost. And so that's the second, well, the normal way people usually prep their hair with. And make sure you put edge control on the ends as well, just to make it slick and not like frizzy. You don't want your hair just sticking out or getting tangled in the passion twist hair. You can also use spring twist hair as well, or just like afro stretched hair. I don't know what the names are, but you can use any type of hair really to wrap it around. You can even use braiding hair to wrap it around if you want that type of look without like the more cleaner look. Use braiding hair. You know, if you want more fluffed out butterfly looking, use passion twist, spring twist hair like that. So yeah, you can really use any type of hair. So here I am just showing you again, wrapping it around. I hope I'm doing a good job explaining this. I'm trying my best. But yeah, so let me know in the comments how I'm doing, you guys, by the way. Okay, so here I tried to do like make it look butterfly-y. So I like use my thumb to try to like hold them. I really don't know what I'm doing here, y'all. I'll try my best, man. I just tug and pull some of that stuff out of it, okay? That's all I can tell you. Tug and pull. It's not supposed to be perfect, okay? They're supposed to be butterfly dread. If you want perfect, go get you some braiding hair and wrap smoothly around each strand. I don't know. Like, this is butterfly locks. And make sure you get you some hair bonding glue, okay? People was using nail glue. That did not work for me. People was using just the palms. That don't work. Hair bonding glue, use that on your fingers at the very ends when you're wrapping around, and then rub it in your in between your fingers and your palms, okay? That holds. Now the hair glue is black. This so happened to be black faux locks. I don't really know how that's gonna look if you have blonde. So yeah, get you some nail glue and try that, because I don't know. But the hair glue worked for me. So y'all let me know in the comments what method y'all using, if it's a good method. But it worked for me. That's all I know. We'll see when I try these red ones. So yeah, that is my hair. That's how it turned out. This is how it turned out. So y'all let me know what y'all think about my hair in the comments down below. I'll put pictures and videos in there when I look better than this, because I look kind of crusty. Like, I'm in between shifts right now at work, but I needed to make the outro so I can go ahead and edit this and get this out for you guys. But y'all let me know what y'all think about this in the comments down below. I'm really feeling it. I'm gonna try this, and I'm gonna make them smaller, and I'm gonna try them in red. So maybe I'll film that, or like show y'all in a video what they look like. I'm excited for that, because I grew my roots out just so I can try like the black ones. But I am gonna dye my hair all back red, including the roots, and we're gonna try red faux locks in the future. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Y'all know what to do. Thank you for watching, and I guess I'll see you next time. Bye.
Y'all, I don't know. But look at them. I just did faux locks the first time. They're giant. I didn't mean to make them this giant. My head looks like freaking Megamind, but